Hello and welcome to another set of trains out, as today we're at Ingatestone on the Great Eastern Mainline. So you're being seen services by Abellio Greater Anglia, and with any luck, some freight as well. 321444 brought me with a service from Shenfield. That was a service bound for Braintree. It's a cute little station this, it's very old worldy. The old station office. Exceptionally old bridge with a sense of character about it, as has part of the platform as well. And down there is the signal box with the level crossing just in front of it. As you can probably see, the heavens have opened, so I've had to run for cover. But I'm hoping that this will allow for some good shots of the water streaking off the pantographs as the trains pass by. So let's see what we shall get. And our first train of the day is going to be an Abellio Greater Anglia excuse me, intercity set. H2102 of 90002. Next train to pass by is Abellio Greater Anglia Class 360. It's 360-106, and then the next train to pass by is an Abellio Greater Anglia Intercity set. (90-012) of H2112. And the next train to stop is the 1432 Abellio Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. It's formed of a single 321 unit.
Platform 1 from the 1432 Abellio Greater
321441.
London Liverpool Street. For the Sheffield, Bradford and London Liverpool Street.
Okay, she's getting ready to go. And the next train to pass by is going to be a Freightliner Class 66 hauled intermodal freight train. (66-591). Next train to pass by looks like it's going to be a dual pairing of Freightliner Class 86s. 86 610 at the front. 604 on the rear. Next train to pass by is going to be what looks like a triple heading of 360s for Abellio Greater Anglia. Oh. It's a 14:45 service to Clacton-on-Sea. It's 360 111 at the front. .360 102 in the middle, and I'll get the rear when she departs. And the next train to pass by is going to be a non-stopping Abellio Greater Anglia Class 360. .360 120, nice little two-tone from the driver there, thank you very much. And on the rear here was 360 108. Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be an Abellio Greater Anglia intercity service. .007 114, and as she continues onwards to London's Liverpool Street, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. My next station is going to be Needham Market, so I'm hoping to get a little bit of a longer film done there than I have here at Ingatestone. It's purely because I'm a little bit tight for time, but I've really enjoyed filming it. It's been a fantastic station to film at. I will come back here at some point to do a much longer video. In fact, I'll get this intercity set as she passes by as well. H2152 90010. But yeah, I'm looking forward to coming back here again. I'll do a much longer video. It's great catching the two Freightliner Class 86s. I haven't seen those in a while. I'm hoping to get a little bit more freight at Needham Market as well, and when I go to Norwich, I'm hoping to catch the DRS tractors as well, should they be running. So yeah, I'm looking forward to going there. So until next time, I shall see you all later. Goodbye.